Article your way through the marketing world.
Article marketing to help in affiliate marketing. Article marketing has been around way before online media has been invented. Business establishments have been known to promote their products and services through the written media even before the internet was invented. And with the onset of the internet, online article marketing has become an easier means of promotion compared to its older predecessors. Not only is online article marketing free, like most of its predecessors, it is non-seasonal, meaning, people can read your articles the whole year round, without exception as to what season your article is most applicable to, and can exist for even much longer than you will. Many online business pursuits, affiliate marketing among them, have made use of the ease and the accessibility which online article marketing offers them. However, this same ease has jeopardized many qualities good fashion articles used to have: fun, quality, and creativity, among others. Many article writers have apparently forgotten the fact that their articles are trying to serve real-life people, and not virtual search engines. If you are into affiliate marketing, you are reading the right article. If you are into online article marketing to help you promote your products, all the better. This article will help you outline the qualities your affiliate marketing articles should have to provide the best profits for you, without sacrificing your potential customers' trust. Informative articles. The main focus of online article marketing is to provide prospects with information at the click of a button. Your prospects do have a tendency to be impatient, so make your articles concise. Focus your articles on the product features and benefits your readers would most probably want to know about. If you feel you have enough skills as a writer, you might wish to omit some really good information about the product, and write in such a way that your readers might want to read more. And never forget that not all information are created equal. Some information are more beneficial than others, depending on the type of product you are promoting. Some products require a thorough discussion of the features, whereas a simple discussion of a product's benefits might be enough for other types of products. The prospects should benefit from online article marketing, too, and if you have to, place yourself in your prospects' shoes and try to imagine what kinds of things they would rather get from your articles. Quality articles. Article writers nowadays are beginning to forget just how important quality is when it comes to written material. This isn't to say that you have to be a major in journalism or a Nobel Prize winner in literature to get to write well. The internet is bombarded with article writing tips, a lot of which are even focused on online article marketing. If you still aren't confident enough, you might wish to hire someone else for the job. Always remember that quality, and not quantity, articles will be best for your affiliate marketing venture. Write fun articles. How many crowded parties have you been to your entire life? And in how many out of these parties did you actually remember the names of all the strangers who attended? See how easy it is to remember the guy with the great sense of humor, or the girl with great conversational skills. Leave the same impression with your online article marketing efforts. Make your affiliate marketing prospects remember you. They may not buy anything off your hands right away, but the moment you sell them something they feel they need, the chances of them hesitating given their knowledge of your written humor is quite small. Post in article directories. This might just be the best way for you to get your articles read by as many people as possible. If you do decide to post your articles to as many article directories as you can handle, please have the decency to write articles that deserve that much exposure. Reading a badly written article is, well, bad enough, but having it posted all over the World Wide Web? No one needs, or wants, a badly written article, all the more, hundreds of the same thing. Do yourself a favor and don't simply kiss your success in the affiliate marketing world by posting hundreds of useless words online. Search engine optimize your articles. Article marketing is entirely useless if you can't get people to read your articles. Make your articles easier to find online. Imagine what keywords your prospects are most likely to enter when looking for your products. Establish them in appropriate places throughout your article. And don't forget the quality of your articles. Never ever forget. Affiliate marketing has now become a much easier venture to undergo, especially with article marketing aiding its efforts. You can be successful in either of these ventures, affiliate marketing and article marketing, if you work hard enough. Following the tips mentioned won't hurt as well. Always remember that in the world of business, success is never too far away. Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.